What PU foam manufacturers fear most is not a lack of technology, but management loopholes. Hello everyone, welcome to the Sabtech Machine channel. Over the past 6 episodes, we have broken down the mechanisms and technical causes of foam scorch. However, to truly stay on the safety line in daily production, what you need is not constant temperature watching, but a well-structured SOP system with clear priorities. Today, I will share a practical management template. It helps you identify hidden risks through 4 critical areas: raw materials, formulation, operation, and storage, and use risk grading to focus your limited energy precisely on the most dangerous high-risk formulations. 1. Raw material management SOP. 1. Retest polyether stored over 3 months. Focus on moisture content to prevent heat surge caused by moisture absorption. 2. Stabilize initial material temperature at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Ensure stable reaction speed and avoid temperature rise caused by ambient fluctuations. 3. Limit water deviation to plus or minus 0.1 parts. Prevent fire risks in low-density formulations caused by tiny water deviations. 2. Formulation management SOP. 1. Document all formulation adjustments in writing. Prohibit verbal instructions to prevent miscommunication and batch accident. 2. Increase antioxidant dosage in summer. Raise thermal resistance baseline to prevent oxidation under heat accumulation. 3. Follow lab trial to mass production process. Multiple validation rounds are mandatory and direct large-scale trials are strictly forbidden. 3. Production operation SOP. 1. Synchronize mixing head and conveyor belt. Prevent unreacted liquid from forming undercurrent and localized heat buildup. 2. Maintain absolute flatness of equipment. Eliminate internal friction heat from drop boards and side films for smooth curing. 3. Record temperature, rise time, and density for every batch. Build a production database to identify plant-specific patterns through data tracking. 4. Curing and storage SOP. 1. Implement the 15-12 monitoring rule. Measure temperature every 15 minutes for at least 12 consecutive hours. 2. Prohibit stacking during the first hour. Maintain a 100 mm heat dissipation gap during the peak temperature phase. 3. Follow the emergency free-no rule. No moving, no ventilation, and no cutting to prevent fresh oxygen from triggering flash combustion. Standardized actions are the foundation of prevention, but smart managers must also prioritize correctly and focus resources on the most dangerous areas. Based on risk levels, we can implement red-yellow-green visual board management. 5. Risk level classification management. 1. Low risk. Density greater than or equal to 25 kilograms per cubic meter, and water less than or equal to 4.0 parts. Standard monitoring is sufficient. 2. Medium risk. Density 20 to 25 kilograms per cubic meter or water less than or equal to 4.5 parts. Monitoring duration must be extended to 16 hours. 3. High risk. Density less than 20 kilograms per cubic meter and water greater than 4.5 parts. Dedicated personnel must monitor 20 hours and perform preventive cutting if necessary. Polyurethane production starts with precision and succeeds through management. As a professional one-stop polyurethane service provider, Sabtech is committed to delivering comprehensive support, from machinery and raw materials to technical consulting. If you encounter any process challenges in production, feel free to contact our engineering team for discussion. Click our profile to follow the channel. More in-depth polyurethane knowledge is coming. Wishing everyone safe and smooth production. See you in the next series.